Get into the 2019 Ford Expedition. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Approach every adventure from a position of strength in this bold and versatile Expedition. With a spacious interior, exceptional cargo capacity, state-of-the-art infotainment system, and impressive towing capacity, this full-size SUV has your back in luxurious style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, satellite radio. Prepare to enjoy the attention you'll get when you arrive in this impressive Expedition. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.